Vlogmas Day 20. So today is December 20th and it's 5 more days till Christmas. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings, 4 collie birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. That time, bro. It's that time. 5 days till Christmas, and guess what? I still need to get Christmas presents. Oh my gosh. I need to go to TJ Maxx as soon as possible. But today, we're gonna continue our decluttering series. So, we're gonna tackle my bookshelf. Okay. We are ready. My bookshelf and book cart. Let me just show y'all what we got. And I also have this cute little background there. I don't know if it's corny. Can y'all see it? Yeah, it's cute. Whatever. Okay. So this is my bookshelf. I have a bunch of stuff. And I want to organize it by books I want to read. Like in like categories and stuff like that. This is another part of my bookshelf. And then also here I have a bunch of books. So let's work that out. The way I'm going to tackle it is I'm going to take off all the books and then organize it by however. I don't know. I'll figure something out. That's a lot going on there. Okay, so it is completely empty. Actually, I'm gonna need to empty this out too because I need to find other places for it because books can go up there as well. And I'm just wasting the space with like this freaking thing that only has 4 brushes inside. I could throw out the box and put the brushes away somewhere. And it's dusty. Oh, no, SD card. Okay, so this I'm going to throw out and take the brushes out and put them in my brushes thing. Sorry, my bed is a mess also, so please ignore. Please ignore. I have all these books I need to organize. Let's start off and put all the self-help books up on this shelf. We'll put I think this is the biggest one. So we'll put like the books I already read here, and then my to be read here, and then the self books here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this yet, but let's see if we can make this work. All right, so I have make your brain your B word. I'm gonna go here, designing your new work life, designing your life. I got this book from school, Never Eat Alone. This is like a coffee table book, you know? It's pretty cool. We're gonna put it here. Oh shoot, that might be too high for my... Alright, I think that's okay. The 4 Agreements. This is a book that I didn't not like. So these are the books I already read, so I'm gonna put this one down here. This is a book that I don't think I'm gonna read. This book I have not read yet. It is so long. How many pages is this? It's like 600 pages. But got one like to be read. When in Rome. Got this in a book bouquet that my boyfriend gave me. So cute. I'm so excited to read it. Fahrenheit 451, Thursday Murder Club, In 5 Years, The Picture of Dorian Gray, Practice Makes Perfect. So these are all books that I need to read. I haven't read yet. Oh my gosh. Okay. I need to get a book stopper. So this my boyfriend gave me when he went to Pakistan, and it's a rickshaw. Super cute. I'm gonna put it as a book stopper for this one. This for now I'm gonna use this snow globe. And this one I'm gonna use this little Christmas tree for now. All right. So wow, look at how less cluttered it is now, and that's. All these were filled with stuff. Okay, now let's go to my book cart. I literally just got this book. So, I need to, yeah, organize that. All right, let's take everything out. Alright, so these are the books I got from my book cart. Now let's organize them. Okay, so I love the Inheritance Games covers. Okay, so the Inheritance Games, I've read all of them. There's another one down here. So let me just take all that one out first. Put them all in my books I've read. Let me take this book out of there. Honestly, I don't even want to put it on my shelf. That's how much I did not like this book. The Inheritance Games. We've got Harry Potter. We've got that one. This Harry Potter we're gonna read next, so that goes on the way to be read. I haven't read this one yet. You've Reached Sam. I can go somewhere here. It's just like there. Haven't read this one, If He Had Been With Me, or this one, Anxious People. So I'll put this one up here. Okay. I think this might fall. Get a different book stopper. Alright, back to the red pile. Okay. We've got How to Stop Time, Ugly Love, It Ends With Us, so all the Colleen Hoover books together. Twisted Love, Funny You Should Ask, Animal Farm, so tiny. Let me put this on the front. The X-Hex, The Very Secret Society of Irregular Witches, so all the Halloween books here. And then Finlay Donovan Jumps the Gun, put that on there, and then finish it off with Animal Farm. Whoa, holy smokes, y'all. I did it. I fit all my books into the bookshelves. What the heck? All of them. Now my book cart is empty. I made it work. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. This looks nice. Look. The only thing I'm upset about is that my snow globes don't fit on my shelves now. Let's see. Can I take this down and put it... Oh, I could put this here. I could put that, the rickshaw there, and my snow globe up here. And then, boom. Let's put the rickshaw like this, since it's like a car. Whoa, something fell. Okay, a book fell, so I need to put a little book stopper here. We'll put it like that. I think like that, it's okay. No, it needs to go in here, and then I put this one like that, so it doesn't fall. Perfect. I am worried about this one falling. Hopefully in the middle of the night none of the books fall, because that would be really scary. Wow. And these books, this book I'm not gonna read it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Give it to somebody. But yeah. Damn, that was quick. Now what do I do with my book cart? Now I need more books. I was like, I'm running out of space. I don't know where to put my books. I got space now. I got space to buy more books. Okay, in my book cart, what I am going to do is put all my journals, because on my bookshelf, I had a lot of journals up there. This journal I just got from my friend Emily for Christmas. We'll put that there. This Hogwarts notebook, so cute. My friend Sasha gave that to me. And then this 2023 planner, I don't really need it anymore, but there's still a couple days left. There's still 11 days left to 2023, so I still need that. So I'm going to put them in here. And then I'll put my disco ball, this cute tree, and my Christmas snow globe. Now I have to work on the rest of the cart. Look how cute that looks. But the rest of the cart, let's not talk about that. Let's not talk about that. This is it. This is the final review. That took less time than I anticipated. Wow. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. So we have the to be read on. I should probably order this from the when I'm gonna read them by, but I think it looks cool like that, like all mixed matched. The next book I might read, because I'm reading Chamber of Secrets now, so I'll probably read Prisoner of Azkaban next. And then after Prisoner of Azkaban, I'll go into the rom-coms. And then I'll probably do this one, because this one's a sad book, and then go down like that. And then these are my books that I've read. Love this series. I don't have the physical third book, so it kind of skips. Oh wait, it's wrong. Need to move this over. Here we go. Now it's in order. Okay, so this is the first, second, and fourth. I need to get the third book, Harry Potter. Once that's done, once I'm done with Chamber of Secrets, I'll get a physical one because I do want to get like all the physical copies, but I don't know if I want to get the originals or like a collector's edition. I don't know. And then Ugly Love, and Ends With Us, How to Stop Time, all of these books. Awesome. And then these are the self-help books, and this is a coffee table book. I'm not sure where to put it. My cousin Felicia gave it to me. But it says this will be really good on a coffee table. So that's it for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the little organization that I did. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what kind of videos you want to see next. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!